Hello, my dear friends. Lorrie here in Lorrie's world on the Oregon coast. And our next big project is scheduled for next week, but I got something amazing. So don't mind my mess. We got a ton going on. I got to move everything out of my room. That'll be coming up in another video. We'll explain that to you. But today, I just want to talk about mail. Oh my gosh, Lorrie. You are so fabulous. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you guys gotta see this. I know you're like, well, hold it up. Let us see, Lorrie. Let us see. Look at this. It's bigger than my head. Oh my goodness, Lorrie. This is fabulous. Okay, well, we got to go through and see what's going on here. Lorrie and Bob, if you're not familiar, Lorrie at It All Adds Up and Bob at Robin Hood Homestead have just put together the most fabulous conglomeration of seeds for me. There's a ton of tomatoes, lots of wildflowers and marigolds, lettuce galore, which is fabulous because I'm going to start growing that all year round in my hydroponic setup. Some cucumbers. Oh, and something I'm super excited about are these birdhouse gourds. Apparently, these are from Gail's Southern Living. I see on the back of this tag now that I look at it. But yeah, some basil. Oh, and the other thing I was super excited about was lemongrass. I've wanted to grow this forever. And then there's some beans and some peas and just a whole bunch of really fabulous stuff. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I know it doesn't look like much yet, and this is going to take a while. But believe it or not, this is going to be a part of what this place becomes. So while we're dealing with the roof and the floors and everything else in between, at least we know we're headed somewhere. Eventually. Come along for the ride. Subscribe, like, share, all that jazz. Take care. See you soon.